So let's just see some of the problems that are related with the specific angle. So let's just start with the problem number 1. It says evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So let us suppose if I'm just using the table that was related with all the specific angles. So using this table, I'm just finding out the value over here. So the very first is nothing but sin 60. So let's just look at sin 60. This is sine, this is 60. So sin 60 is actually nothing but root 3 by 2. So let's just plug in this value. So let us suppose if I'm just writing it over here, we have sine of 60, we have cos of 30, we have plus of sine of 30, we have further cos of 60. So hence sine of 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2. Now further, let's just find out cos of 30. So cos of 30, as you can see, the cos of 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 again. Cos of 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 again. So this is nothing but root 3 by 2 again, plus of sine 30. As you can see, sine of 30 is nothing but the value which is half. Sine of 30 is nothing but the value which is half. So this is half. And further we have cos of 60. Cos of 60 is nothing but this value which is nothing but again half. This is again half. So let's just calculate this value. We have root 3 by 2 whole square plus of 1 by 4. Further we can write this as 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 4 by 4. And hence the answer is nothing but is equal to 1. So this is nothing but the answer for the very first part in which we have to evaluate this particular value. Now let's just see the second part of the question number 1, which says evaluate sin 30 tan 45 cosec 60 secant 30 cos 60 cot 45. So let's just use the table again. So this is my table. Using this table, I am just about to find out or evaluate the value of all this function. So let us suppose if I'm starting with the solution for this particular question. So it says sin of 30. Let's just find out sin of 30. So sin of 30 is actually nothing but half. So sin of 30 is half. So I'm just writing half over here. Sin of 30 is half. Further it says tan of 45 are multiplying with sin of 30. Tan of 45. As you can see, tan of 45 is nothing but a value which is 1. So this is 1. Further we have minus of cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60. Let's just locate cosec 60. As you can see, cosec 60 is nothing but 2 by root 3. So this is 2 by root 3 whole divided by, further again we have sec 30, so we can see sec 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. So this is 2 by root 3. So hence we'll write 2 by root 3 again over here, plus of cos of 60. As you can see, cos of 60 is nothing but half. So the value is nothing but plus of half, plus of cot 45. As you can see, cot 45 is nothing but 1. Cot 45 is nothing but 1. So these are all the values which are related with the specific angles. Now let's just sort it out. This is nothing but half minus of 2 by root 3 whole divided by, let's just take the LCM in the denominator of this. So this would be nothing but 2 root 3. Further we have, this is 2 into 2 is 4 plus of 2 and we have root 3 plus we have this as nothing but 2 root 3. So further if I'll take the LCM in the numerator as well, so this would be nothing but root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 whole divided by, this would be 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 get cancelled with each other because they both are in the denominator of the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now let's just talk about the other values we have. So this would be root 3 minus 4 divided by, this is nothing but 2 root 3 plus root 3, this is 3 root 3 plus 4, this is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now this is the value that we are actually getting at the end. We can also rationalize it furthermore in order to evaluate it further. So let us suppose if I am just taking this or the answer for this particular question on here only, and I'm not just rationalizing it, you can also rationalize it in order to get the further simplified form of this one. So let us suppose if I'll write it over here, that the answer is root 3 minus 4 and this is nothing but 3 root 3 plus 4. As you can again rationalize it further if you want to. So in order to rationalize it, we can multiply it with the negative term of it. So this would be 3 root 3 minus of 4, and further you can write it as root 3 minus of 4 into 3 root 3 minus of 4, and this would be nothing but 3 root 3 is a whole square, means that 27 minus of this would be 16, because 3 root 3, this is a plus b, this is a minus b, so you can write it as nothing but 3 root 3 whole square minus of 4 whole square. This would be 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, this is 27 minus of 16, and furthermore you can sort it out as nothing but 3 into root 3, this is nothing but 9, minus of 4 of root 3, minus of this is 4 of root 3, minus of 12 of root 3, plus of 16 divided by, this is nothing but 11, as you are subtracting both of these values, this is nothing but 11, this is nothing but 11. So at the end we are getting 25 by 11 minus of, this is 4 and this is 16, sorry, this is 4 and 4, 5, 6, this is 16, this is 16 by 11 root 3. So at the end we are getting the answer as this one, that is 25 by 11 minus of 16 by 11 root 3. So you can take this as your answer, as well as you can take this as your answer after rationalizing the denominator, because it is in the formation of square root. So hence the answer for the second part is either this or either this.